The sports, congratulations to all Liverpool fans out there. Let's shift focus to a BQ tonight. We'd asked for your thoughts on the Senate committee decision in order to clear Waiguru without any wrongdoing. Do you agree with that particular decision? We asked you. Let's just take a look at some of your feedback in regards to that particular question. On Twitter, Han Mudegu says, that was expected. I'm not surprised. The good thing is that next time, let people learn that the hard way, that choices have consequences. If you think it's red, then it is. It can't be reddish.
All right. Mary Kush says, I don't agree. Some evidence was dismissed, e.g. the passport provision. The Senate's decision was not satisfying, and this time the people saw that Kirinyaga people were betrayed. But remember, the people have power.
Definitely. David Kive says, let's call a spade. I'm not chiding about anything or anybody, but the Senate committee should stop wobbling and let Governor Waiguru carry her cross alone. It's quite clear or cheeky how leaders behave, yet common Mwananchi continues to suffer.
Right. Omwami Wengo says, big no. If to ask between Waluke and Waiguru, who's a victim? The Senate should stop petty politics. Well, those are just